Hello people YouTube, how are you today? It's me Abby and today is a very special video. I am very excited to show you guys this. I got the Jeffree Star mystery box. But yeah guys, I finally got the Jeffree Star mystery box. I am so happy because I already told you what happened last time when I tried to get the Jeffree Star mystery box in. I'm happy we didn't go down that route this time. I wasn't able to get the big guy. I wasn't able to get the big one, the premium box, but I was able to get the deluxe box. So I haven't opened it yet. I literally just got off work, guys, like not even an hour ago. I went to work, got off, and had to wait for my sister to pick me up, and then I finally got here, and then I'm barely opening the box. Like, I still haven't even peeled off the tape yet. So we're gonna open it together. And I'm very excited because I want to see what's in here, and I know you guys too, so let's stop yammering and get on with the video. Just cutting the box open with my giant rainbow knife because I'm extra like that. You know what's funny? My dad bought me this knife for protection because when my nephew turned 3 years old, I left his birthday party, and I got attacked by a crackhead. So he bought me this for protection, but I always use it just for opening boxes because I'm always getting packages. Okay guys, we have a layer of paper. I'm going to pull everything out one by one, so I'm going to keep it right in front of me. But, oh, I'm so nervous. First thing in the bag is the Jeffree Star beanie. I love beanies, guys. Like, oh, that's so cute. And with my new haircut. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, I dyed my hair and I cut it. What do you guys think? But I love this. This is so cute. It's a little bit on the bigger side for me. I mean, not the bigger side, the smaller side, but I love it. I love this so much. It's so cute. I cannot wait to wear it a little bit more. Also with my hair. I already know what this is. Guys. That's awesome. Guys, there's a big giant Blue Bud palette in here, but as you guys know, I already have the Blue Bud palette, so I think I'm gonna give this to a friend or a family member who likes blue eyeshadows. But that is awesome that you guys get a full-size palette in here. Next thing in the box is a liquid lipstick, and it is in shade Leo. This is actually one color I do not have, but I used to own, so I'm really happy to have this back in my collection. Doesn't smell like anything. But yeah, this is cool. Guys, there's a gloss. I've never tried his gloss formula before. I've always wanted to. And this is in Diamond Juice. Oh, show me this. Show me. If it will come out. Oh, that is so beautiful. I gotta put this on right now. I've never tried his gloss before. Okay, this is Diamond Juice on my lips. What do you guys think? I love it. This is great. Okay, lastly in this big old giant package we have is the velour lip liner in Posh Spice, which I also don't have any of his lip liners, so I'm very excited to try this. I've always wanted to try his lip liners. Also the fact that he reformulated, so I want to... Oh, I love it. Posh Spice is my favorite lipstick he's ever created, so I'm happy to have this in my collection. But yeah. Okay guys, I was going over the calculations for the box, and with everything from the lip liner, the palette, and the beanie is the only thing that's not on his website, so I went with his hat options and used that as the price. So in total, the entire box price is worth $127, and I only paid it was a $60 box, but with shipping, tax, it came out to be $74.52. So that's not bad for a mystery box, especially the fact that you're getting items, you know, that will last you a long time, like the eyeshadow palette, because I got his Blue Bud palette right when it first came out, and you know, mine is still pretty good. So okay guys, this is the end of the video. I am very happy with what I got. I'm happy to have 4 of the 5 items in the package be stuff that I don't own at all than stuff that I do have. Like, I don't have any of his beanies, and this beanie feels really nice. The embroidered star is really nice. It fits pretty well on my head. It's a little tight, but I feel like I could stretch it out. It's a little weird right here, but can't really tell that much. I really like this though, and I cannot wait to wear it out when winter comes up a little bit more because it's still hot as hell outside. But other than that, I'm really happy with what I got. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Remember to leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Click the little bell icon to see more videos from me. And have a great day. Bye.